Today, a child may want to be rich but not honest. A student may want to dream to go viral but not meaningful for the society.
Character is actually, a good quality of a person. It actually defines a person. That
Actually, it's reverse in Pakistan or likewise countries that people want to impress the other by their status.
Nowadays, people teach their children to be rich or to be a kind.
Trophies rust, but values shine. Character is silent, but it echoes lives forever.
Why do we have to think a lot? Why do we have to ponder over that what is character, what is status? As we are, whatever we are, we are. Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone, this is Khalid. Welcome back to a journey of enhancing your English as well as your perspective, your ideology and confidence. Thanks ever so much to each and everyone that come back and watch our videos to learn and grow with us. Today we're gonna discuss a wonderful topic that will surely make a huge difference in your personality. So don't go anywhere, stay with us and watch the video till the end. This video will help you enhance your status and your character because the topic is what defines you, your status or your character. We all are living in the world where degrees, job titles and social status often steal the spotlight. But here's the truth. None of these things can replace who you are from the inside. What makes you shine is not your label, but the qualities that you carry within you. Everyone is chasing success, fame, and wealth. They call him successful because he drives a luxury car. They respect him because he holds a high position. But behind the titles and trophies, who we are is really the question. It is not only the question, but a mirror through which we see the world and world sees us. The mirror which reflects who we are and what we pretend to be and what we display.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is me Mariya Khanam and I live in Gulshan Iqbal. Today I am here for the topic and the topic is that what defines you, your status or your character. What is character? Honesty, kindness, humbleness, courage, loyalty, quite a big list it is. Character doesn't need an audience, it shows up when no one's watching.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Before I say something, I would like to recite one ayat. Iyaka na'budu wa iyaka nasta'een. My name is Nadeem Ahmad. I live in Gulshan Iqbal. What is status? Your social rank, your status, your financial level. For example, if you are CEO, influencer, celebrity or politicians, that is your status. Society often associates value with status.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Here I am Iman and I live in Gulshan Iqbal. As both of them have said that about character and status. So I would like to favor in both of them, but let's talk about them about what they have decided to talk about.
Well, I have a beautiful question, and the question is that why do we have to think a lot? Why do we have to ponder over that what is character, what is status? As we are, whatever we are, we are.
It really matters because status is the one whom people actually according to their status, people actually show off to other people, that we are a high qualified doctor, we are
They show off a lot like they are something.
Yeah, they are something.
Okay.
And you lower the standards of other people. And a character is actually a good quality of a person. It actually defines a person that
Right.
a person is high. They have high qualities of kindness, humbleness, and honesty. They usually speak the truth, and they have just faith in Allah. Actually, people say that if we are in the world where people have many faces, two faces, so we have to live for Allah and do good things in the world.
Yes.
Very good.
As she said it, so I want to include something in my point. Like a status can impress people for a while, like for a moment, but a character can impress
Yes, right.
and can inspire for a lifetime because a person is not a good from heart and he or she is he or she is showing off her mobile or her
Status.
clothes or something like that, so people can impress for a while, like wow, it's a nice mobile, it's a nice clothes, but people can't remember
Yes.
her or his at a long time.
Yes,
Yeah,
right.
actually it's reverse in Pakistan or likewise countries that people want to impress the other by their status.
Yes.
Yes,
But the
right.
main thing is that we should impress the other with the help of our character.
Correct.
Yes. I want to ask a question. When somebody is seriously ill, do you think we should go look for high status doctor or kind-hearted doctor for the better treatment?
From my perspective, we have to go to a doctor, but a kind-hearted, because if a doctor is kind-hearted, so patient recover in a quick way.
Actually, the thing is that I would say, it's not the matter of kind-hearted or high status.
But doctor
The
should
doctor
be
should be
kind-hearted.
qualified and
Yeah.
experienced.
Yes. Right.
I wanted,
And also should be sincere with his or her field.
but I wanted to say that with his field or her field, a kind-hearted.
Kind-hearted.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you think nowadays people teach their children to be rich or to be a kind?
Yes.
Actually, most commonly people are a kind of money people. They are going for money, printing money, or dreaming to print the money.
Yes.
But in reality, it's wrong. It's not worthy to go for the money. Your character is the thing, as she rightly said, that your character makes a lasting impression.
Well, from my perspective, nowadays we can see that when people, like when neighbors is struggling in something, so instead of doing help, people are showing of their own success.
Yeah, and it is also, and people are jealous.
Yes, right.
They are getting, malice, jealous, and they are ready to get some kind of, to be involved in the rat race that
Yes.
we are much more successful than you. Something is going wrong in the
Yes, right.
society. Beside helping the neighbors or thinking to help them, we are going against them.
Yes.
I want to ask one more question, and the question is that, do you think a beautiful tie makes person intelligent?
Well, I think all goals are not glitters.
Oh.
So, a person who is beautiful by his face, by his nature and all that, it doesn't mean that they have a good character.
Yes, right.
So, I actually believe that, if they have wore many, jewelry, they have wore a good dress, they have, a good house or a good phone, people think that, wow, they must be have a good personality, they must be have a good character. But actually, it doesn't mean that you are, just putting you're just actually the main moral of this point is that you are lowering yourself,
Yeah.
you're lowering your standard,
And you are becoming a kind of,
Yeah.
you are following the path of inferiority complex.
and you are demotivated by the standards, so you think that we can't do this, but actually Allah has better plans. So but just believe in yourself, and whatever they are showing off, whatever they have, it doesn't mean that you could not achieve that thing.
In my opinion, trophies rust, but values shine. Character is silent, but it echoes lives forever. I wanna ask a question. When somebody speaks English fluently and another doesn't, do you really respect both one?
Yes, actually, in our society, it's really wrong thing that people, appreciate the people who speak in English, and it draws the line of discrimination between the people who are not able to speak in English. People who have knowledge of English can speak well, they belittle them, the
Yes.
people who are unable to speak in English. But I consider one more thing that, and people should also consider that if people belittle you, they degrade you.
Yes.
Why don't you learn English? It takes just only 3 to 4 months and you become fluent in English.
Yes.
It would also help in future as well.
Yeah, future as well, and it will help you in your studies, your
For your
social
job.
status.
I wanna share a beautiful line. The moment is coming and soon will go. If you can keep this moment in your heart, it will be soon gone. There is saying in Urdu, आने वाला पल जाने वाला है, हो सके तो दिल में जिंदगी बिता दो, ये पल जाने वाला है.
Well, to support the importance of character, I would like to share a beautiful line. History remembered the people like Abdul Sattar Edi, not for his face, but his work and kind heart.
I wanna share one beautiful line. Time controls day and night. Time controls yesterday and today. Everything is a slave to time. Time rules over everything. There is saying in Urdu, वक्त से है दिन और रात, वक्त से है आज और कल, वक्त का हर शय गुलाम, वक्त का हर शय पे राज.
Well, I want to ask one question, and that is beautiful question, and I would say $1 million question. And the question is that when we want to make our status,
Yes.
we pursue our career, we study, we go for higher rank. That is our status. Okay, but what about the character? How to build our character?
Well, you cannot buy character from other shops, markets, or other people's. You can actually gain character from inner soul, from elders, from your father, from your mothers, and actually Allah has have given all the something special in our hearts, that is honesty, and that is trustworthiness, and your humbleness. So everyone in their hearts have a humanity to pursue others, to show others that we are actually a human, and a character we have built is a good thing.
Now let's talk about something very much important, and it is often overlooked, as we are trying to discriminate between status and character. But when we talk about character, it has two sides. Number one, our nature. There are some qualities which are built in our nature, like kindness, honesty, humbleness, morality, compassion, sympathy, or empathy. But the flip side is based on our skill. Yes, our skills are also the shining side of our character. It's not just about being honest or kind, it goes deeper. Your skill helps you side by side to make you successful. Think about it. Can you work in a team without communication skill? Can you inspire anyone without confidence? Can you grow without adaptability, flexibility, creativity, and rationality? Today, world values the people who are not only kind or honest, but smart and well-rounded, who can navigate in different situations with grace.
I want to share a last point. Status can be about, but character is built. So to have a good character, we have to gain some honesty and humbleness.
My last beautiful line is, you were innocent, you didn't understand much. You thought that everyone was your friend, but you didn't know that people care about themselves. You thought even your shadow would stay with you, but it left you like others. Even your own people, you felt like a stranger. There is saying in Urdu, ना समझ ना दा पागल दीवाना. सबको अपना माना तूने, पर तूने ये ना जाना, मतलबी हैं लोग यहाँ, मतलबी है ज़माना. सोचा साया साथ देगा, लेकिन वो निकला बेगाना. अपनों में मैं बेगाना.
In the last, I want to say that status is loud. It walks into the room and expect applause. Don't just build our resume, build our reputation.
Well, my last line is that today a child may want to be rich but not honest. A student may want to dream to go viral but not meaningful for the society. Chasing fame and recognition, we have lost the value of being satisfied with the life and being content. Now we have to think about it that we can work for status, but we should also work for our character to be meaningful for us and for the society.